Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Artland. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw an Adopt Me frost dragon from Roblox Adopt Me. Now if you'd like to see more of these different pets and everything, please let me know and I'll try my best to draw as many of them as I can. So thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with our Adopt Me frost dragon, we're going to begin with the eye. I'm going to start right here, and you just want to make a little oval shape that kind of points down. Next, starting here, you're going to make a line that goes back, and then it's going to come right here to the bottom. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down, and then it's going to go straight across and come down like this. Next, I'm going to draw a line. It's going to come up, and it's going to go down to about here. I'm going to bring it up, and then right here you want to add a little spike. And I'm going to put another little spike right on top of here. I'm going to curve this up a little bit more. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a little line that goes out, and then it's going to curve right back to here. And we'll leave that open right there. Starting here, I'm going to add a little curved line to connect it, like a little smiley face. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve down like this. And starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve around, and then as I get closer to here, I'm going to make it smaller. That's always a little tricky, but you want to start out big here and then get a little smaller there. Right here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to curve around that I'll leave open. Next, draw a small circle inside there for the nose. On top of here, I'm going to draw one little spike and another spike. Along the bottom of the mouth, I'm going to add some teeth. I'll put about 5 teeth here. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that goes down. I'm going to bring it up and then bring it right to here to connect it. Next, I'm going to make a little line that goes right across here, and then a little line right across here for the face. Now, starting here, you want to draw a line that's just going to curve down and up. And right over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go right across to there. Starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up. It's going to curl around. I'm going to make it come back up for a little spike. I'm going to add one that goes up and down right here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come down. It's going to come to a point and come back up. Next, I'm going to add another one right here. It's going to go down, come to a point and up, and one more right here. Then just bring the line right down to here. You want to connect each one of these with a sad face shape that goes to each one. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve out like this, and then it's going to come back and go right up to here. I'm going to add some little spikes on the back here, and I'm going to make these go all the way down the tail. Next, I'm going to add a couple little lines going right down the body. You can leave some space in between them too. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up and down, And instead of going straight across, I'm just going to add a little curve to it. I'll do the same thing here. Go up and down for a foot and add a little curve to it right there. Then starting here, we're going to add a little curve here and a little curve right there for the claws. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Roblox Adopt Me Frost Dragon. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.